Most roofing contractors stick with software, even when it slows them down. And here's the truth no one tells you. The best software is not the most popular one. It is the one that actually fits how your team works every single day. In this video, you'll discover the best alternatives to AccuLynx in 2026, when to use them, and how to choose the right one for your roofing business. Let's get straight into it. AccuLynx is a powerful roofing management system, but it is not perfect for everyone. Some contractors find it too structured. Some find it expensive. And others want more flexibility or simpler tools. Now here's where it gets interesting. Choosing an alternative is not about replacing features. It is about matching your workflow. Let's break it down simply. First, alternative style tools are flexible CRM platforms like JobNimbus. These tools are designed to give you more control over how you manage leads, jobs, and pipelines. So if Alex runs a smaller roofing business and wants to customize his workflow instead of following a strict system, this type of tool gives him more freedom. He can adjust boards, stages, and job tracking based on his team's habits. But here's the problem. With flexibility comes responsibility. If you don't set up your system properly, things can become messy fast. Now, second category. Simple field service tools like Jobber. These are built for ease of use. They focus on scheduling, invoicing, and customer communication without heavy complexity. So if Jake runs a small roofing or home service business, Jobber helps him stay organized without needing a long setup process. It is fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Simplicity is powerful when your business is small, but it can become limiting when your business starts scaling fast. Third category is all-in-one construction or CRM tools that are not roofing specific, but offer broader customization. These tools are often used by contractors who want a single system for multiple services. But here's the key insight most people miss. Switching software does not fix business problems. It only organizes them. If your workflow is unclear, even the best tool will feel confusing. Now let's compare them in a simple way. AccuLynx is best for roofing-focused structure and scaling. JobNimbus is best for flexible workflow control. Jobber is best for simplicity and quick setup. So how do you choose? If you are managing multiple roofing crews and want strict job tracking, AccuLynx is still strong. If you want customization and control, JobNimbus may fit better. If you want simple scheduling and invoicing without complexity, Jobber is enough. Now, here's the final insight. The best alternative is not the one with the most features. It is the one your team actually uses every day without confusion. So to wrap it up, AccuLynx alternatives in 2026 fall into three types: structured roofing systems, flexible CRMs, and simple service tools. Each one fits a different stage of business growth. If you understand this, you stop guessing and start choosing software based on how your business really operates. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business size so I can recommend the best tool for your stage, and subscribe for more simple software breakdowns that help you make smarter business decisions.